Katie, your science lady, and we are going to get ready to be super scientists and do some science experiments today. We're going to use some household items. We're going to use water, we're going to use oil, we're going to use a clear glass jar, we're going to use food coloring, we're going to use Alka-Seltzer. So the title of our science experiment is called Blobs in a Bottle. So we're going to put that right here on the top here, Blobs in a Bottle. And we're going to learn about this fancy science word called intermolecular polarity. And we're going to do our science experiment and see what does that word or two words mean. You're going to do your picture before and after once we do our science experiment. So make sure that you do that. Remember, you can always write on the back of your paper. So let's get started. All right. So we are going to take our water. Take our water. So we're going to fill up our jar about halfway. Okay, so we're using a clear jar so you can easily see what's happening. Move our water out of the way. So then we're going to fill a little bit with oil. We're going to do that. Okay, so notice that the oil is on top of the water there. And then I'm going to take some food coloring so that way you can see it a little bit better. I'm going to take green food coloring. Whoops. If I can get it out of the box. It's being a little silly. It's not coming out of the box. So here's some green. Let's put a couple of drops in there. Count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Watch what it's doing. Watch. It's going through the oil. Can you see it? Watch the jar really carefully. The drops are going through the oil. And then they're going to go down into the water. Let's see what it's doing. I love science because it does like some pretty cool stuff. So can you see it going through the oil? There it is. Oh, it looks like it's kind of stuck there. Go in, go through, go through, go through. That's so funny that it's staying right there. So anyways, you can see the separation between the oil and the water. I think I might take, I have some scissors right here. I'm just going to kind of poke it just a tiny bit. There it goes. Now do you see how cool? So now it went through the oil all the way down into the water. Super, super cool. Put my scissors over here. Great, so now it's making our water turn green. And then we're going to take our Alka-Seltzer tablets and we are going to watch what happens. So the tablet looks like this, and then we're going to like kind of just put it in half and let it sink down to the bottom. Can you see what's happening there? Let me move this stuff out of the way so you can kind of see better. Can you see it? I'm going to stick this one down there. Do you see what's happening? This is so cool. So it's making blobs in the bottle. So it's making the water from underneath kind of come up and bubble up to the top where the oil is. And so what's happening is our Alka-Seltzer is kind of like an acid, and what it is doing is it is down at the bottom. It kind of sunk to the bottom because it's heavy. It's a kind of matter, so this is kind of a solid matter, and it's going through the liquid. So the water and the oil are liquid matter. Do you see it blobbing and bubbling? So cool. I love it. So now we're going to talk about our fancy word intermolecular polarity. Now what that means, boys and girls, is that water molecules attract other water molecules. So they kind of come together. Okay, that's what water does. Water molecules attract to other water molecules. They join together. Now oil molecules like oil molecules, and they join together. But what happens is water molecules and oil molecules don't mix. They don't join together, and you can see that in our bottle. You can see down below is our water, and it's green because we put the green food coloring. But do you see this yellow up on the top? That's our oil. Our oil is less dense than water, and what that means is the oil is lighter than the water, and so it floats to the top, so it's staying up there to the top. Let's add some more. So if you add more Alka-Seltzer, it makes it bubble some more. So that's kind of cool. So let's let it do that while we're still talking. So that's what intermolecular polarity means, is the molecules, water molecules attract to water molecules, and oil molecules attract to oil molecules, but water and oil don't attract together. They don't. So again, do you see it bubbling? It's so cool. I love it. Can you hear it? If you listen really carefully, you can hear it bubbling and fizzing. So that is Blobs in a bottle. So don't forget to do your before and after picture of what happens. So before, you can do the oil on the top and the green water down below, and then after, you can make it show that it's bubbling like what it's doing right now. It's super cool. So I'm so glad that you enjoyed being super scientists today with me, Professor Katie the Science Lady. Until next time, our next science. All right, bye guys.